Hey everybody, Mr. Moore and Mr. Grossen here. We're going to be doing some math to establish our accuracy and precision with our measuring device of choice here, or our tool of choice. And he's going to roll through some of the math we're going to do. Cool.
All right, so like Mr. Moore was saying, you guys are working on precision and accuracy, and you may end up with a result like this, where you have 3 points, and you're asking yourself, well, where would the actual aim be? What was the main point that you were shooting at? And the easiest way to find that is to start by finding the center of each of your points and connecting them. Now, some of you probably know that if you connect 3 points, you're going to end up with a triangle. But for those of you that didn't know that, spoiler alert, you're going to end up with a triangle. It will look something like this. Now, what we want to do is we want to find the centroid of this triangle, also known as the center of gravity. And it's not too difficult to do. What you're going to do is you're going to find the midpoint of each of the side by measuring it. This one looks like it is 2 inches and what is this? 3/8 of an inch. So if we cut that in half, that would be 1 inch and 3/16. So it should be right about here.
What if we were using metric?
If we were using, I'll show you metric on another side.
Okay,
so
good.
We're going to do inches here. You're going to take the opposite vertex, that is the angle that is opposite this side, and you're going to draw a line and connect that vertex to the midpoint of this side. Over here, I'm going to do metric, and you're going to do this with each of the sides of your triangle. Here we have 6.5 centimeters, which would bring us to 3¼ centimeters if we cut it in half. And again, we're going to take that point and connect it to the vertex that is opposite of it, like so. And then as you can see, this one's probably going to go right through that line, and we'll find out that it will. But again, we just need to find that midpoint to verify. This one looks like it is very close to 9.5. A half of 9 is 4.5, so I'm just going to go a touch past that right here on this black mark, so it's a little harder to see on the edge, but you'll see that when I connect it, all 3 of these lines intersect at the same point. And this point that we found is that centroid. And again, what I mean by center of gravity is if we cut this triangle out, you could balance the entire triangle right on that point, kind of like the middle or the center of a ruler. It's that same idea. So this is going to be the point where all of your shots are trending towards, based on the results on the, I don't know where I'm going with this.
No, this is great.
Okay,
hey, thank you very
good.
much, Mr. Grossen. Super appreciate it. I'm sorry, now that I have the info from you, I'm going to have to kill you. Okay. All right. Awesome.